Hi, welcome to Child Development 215 course, Healthy Environments. I am Christy Calvert. I will be your instructor for this course. There's a few elements of the course I wanted to make you familiar with at the beginning to help as your learning journey, help you get a good start. If you're not familiar with Blackboard, I'd like to welcome you to the home page. This is the page that you will come to every time you open the course. This home page has some important things you need to know. My announcements is where I will be letting you know about assignments and things that are important to your learning. So this is an area you will want to check out. Another place is what's due. This will show you assignments that are coming up. So what's due is important. My announcements is important. And also my results. My results will show you, it has a list of all the assignments. It will show you what your scores are. It shows you how much that each assignment is worth, and once your assignment has been graded, it'll also show your score. So my results is an important area for you to learn. We're going to go to Start Here. As you're starting any of your courses, you need to go to the Start Here and find out what is important for you to know. In this Start Here, we have a Blackboard help ticket, so if you ever need help for Blackboard, you can go to right here to Start Here and get the help you need. Start Here also has a course syllabus. Toward the bottom, it has all the information for the course, but toward the bottom it has a list of the assignments you'll be doing, many points they're worth, and you'll have a calendar too, telling you when the items are done, or should be done, and when they're due. So those are important. Also, in Start Here, you have an instructor introduction. So if you want to learn a little bit more about me, that's there, and also a picture if you want to see what I look like. And then getting started in using MindTap. The textbook we are going to be using for this course is Health, Safety, and Nutrition for the Young Child. And this information takes place in MindTap, which is a learning laboratory. So this might be important for you to know if you have a question about navigating through the course. This would be a good area in the Start Here to get to getting started using MindTap. Those are things that are available to you in the Start Here program. I have been using the learner mode. I am going to switch to the faculty mode of Blackboard. So it may look a little different than yours, but I wanted to be able to show you some of the things that are the same, that I wanted to talk you through a module. Learning modules, this is where all the learning information is. Again, we have this Engage and Technical Support here, information on what if you want to learn. These are the modules, learning modules here, with these little notebooks. Since this is a 12-week course, you'll often be asked to do one or two modules a week, since this is a shorter course than usual. All the chapters, each chapter is in a different module, but they all are set up pretty much the same. So I want to give you an example of what you'll see when you go into any of these modules. At first, you'll see a little explanation about what we're going to be learning about in each module. Then you'll get a chance to looking at the learning objectives and standards. Anytime we're using the textbook, we will have this bar here of information that you can access that might be interesting and useful to you. One I think is interesting is this Read Speaker. We click on that, and you can have your information read to you. You can have it read slow, medium, or fast. You can have it read to you by a male or female. You can also have this on to read along with the text also, whichever is the most helpful for your learning. You've seen what the learning objectives are. Let's look at a chapter in the book. Again, you see that this toolbar is here for your use. And you'll see it at start out. It'll have you a little table of contents for you of what you'll find in the course. The chapter review is an important for you too, because it has information, a case study, it has application activities, things that you might actually do in the classroom or use in the early childhood professions. So please look over this and see what information there. This textbook was chosen because of the many resources it has for you as students to use in your professional life. So I hope you will take advantage of that. Okay, we've seen what the chapters are like. After reading the chapter, there's a section called Did You Get It? This is a short little quiz that I will not be scoring for points. It's information to see how well you read and if you're getting the important information out of the text. So that might be helpful to you. Often I will put a video accompanying the chapter. This is some more extra learning. At times I'll be using this for assignments, but often I will have the video there just for you to watch for your information. Wrapping it up is the quiz that is graded for points. So when there is a wrapping it up involved in the chapter, that is testing what you have learned through your reading and the other videos and information you have done. At the end of each module, I have the Teacher Source digital downloads. These are downloads that what information you can download so that you can use these in your child care environment, whether it be teaching in the classroom or other. As you can see, this one also includes something for families, that handout that you might want to use with your families. So lots of information. I think this text is very rich in resources. I hope you find that way too for you. And I think that's about all I'm going to show you for now. So I wish you well on this course, and I hope you learn lots and get lots of resources too. So thank you for listening.